DLF is credited for creating commercial masterpieces like DLF Cyber City and DLF Horizon Tower 1, 2 and many others, and residential masterpieces like Aralias, Camellias and Magnolias. This has made DLF one of the prominent and prestigious names in the real estate market. Now the DLF group has launched the signature residency, its premium floors in the center of Gurgaon, which is very well connected with the all locations of Delhi NCR. Signature residences DLF Phase 4 Gurgaon are not just an ordinary homes but the homes of future, which includes features like home automation, fully loaded modular kitchen, VRV AC fittings, terrace gardens and many more. Location is the most important thing when you are looking to buy any residential or commercial property because it ensures the appreciation of your property in the long run. Everything reminds me of you, but everything is not enough. Feeling out by the ocean, along those white hot sands. Every sunrise is just for you, so come along and take my hand. Now if we talk about the location of the DLF signature residences, these low-rise premium floors are located on the most premium address of Gurgaon, which is DLF Phase 4, just 200 meters away from the DLF Galleria market. If we talk about the location of DLF signature residences, these premium floors are the part of fully gated community, which is just 200 meters away from the DLF Galleria, one of the most happening commercial market of Gurgaon. These low-rise premium floors are located at such a location from where Golf Course Road and Huda City metro stations are just at 1 kilometer distance. And if we talk about the big hospitals like Max, Fortis and Paras, they are just at 2 and 3 minutes drive from these low-rise premium floors. These floors are located at the center of Gurgaon, where it is accessible from the all major locations of Delhi NCR. If we talk about the specifications of DLF signature residences, these floors comes with unique features like home automation, fully modular kitchen along with hob, chimney, washing machine, fridge, oven, microwave and dishwasher. If we talk about the living and dining area, builders is providing with VRV air conditioning and there will be Italian marble flooring. If we talk about the bedrooms area, builder is providing with laminated wooden flooring, modular wardrobes and VRV air conditionings. Now we will talk about the structure of DLF signature residences. The structure comprises of basement plus tilt area plus 4 level of structure, whereas in the basement builder is providing with 4 servant room plus 4 store room, which you can use as an office space or a guest room, etc. On the tilt level, builder is providing with 8 car parkings. It means every floor owner will be allocated with 2 car parking. Other than this, on the tilt area, builder is providing lift area as well as guest lounge. This is the only low-rise floor project where the builder is providing with the proper driveway to make your parking experience more convenient and easy. You will not find such kind of driveway in any other low-rise project in Gurgaon and Delhi NCR. So this was all about the newly launched residential low-rise floors by DLF Group in DLF Phase 4. If you have any query regarding these floors, you can contact us on the numbers mentioned on this YouTube video screen. Thank you very much for your time.